Aside from the location being perfect, 15 minutes from downtown, 5 minutes from the Domain, and 15 minutes from Tech Ridge, the best thing about this house is it's essentially brand new in an area that does not have brand new construction. It was built in '68, but it was gutted all the way down to the studs and everything's been replaced. New electric, new plumbing, new roof, new HVAC, new appliances, new flooring. Everything in here is up to code and ready to go. Welcome to 8407 Maine Drive.